Okay, let's dive into the surprising science behind a force you probably experience every single day.
You've probably seen something like this before. Looks a little like magic, doesn't it?
Well, today we're pulling back the curtain on the physics that makes this illusion possible.
It all starts with something simple, rubbing a balloon on your hair. So what's really going on?
To understand, we have to zoom way in. Before anything happens, the hair and balloon are neutral.
But when you rub them, that friction gives electrons enough energy to literally jump ship.
So now the hair has lost electrons, making it positive, and the balloon, it's gained them, making it negative.
And boom, that buildup of charge just sitting on the surface, that's what we call static electricity.
Okay, but here's the real head-scratcher. Why does the charged balloon attract something neutral, like paper?
Well, remember, like charges repel, so the balloon's negative charge literally shoves the paper's electrons away.
This creates a temporary split, or polarization, leaving one side of the paper positive.
And voila, that attraction is so strong, it actually beats gravity and lifts the paper.
Now, this stuff isn't always easy to grasp. There are a lot of common misconceptions out there.
So how do we teach it? Well, one study found interactive methods blow old-school lectures out of the water.
And the results were dramatic. Almost 83% of students got it right with the interactive approach.
It really just proves that hands-on experiments are an incredibly powerful way for anyone to learn.
And studies show this kind of thing sparks real joy and focus, even for students with ASD.
But this isn't just a cool party trick. Static electricity is a huge deal in industry. For instance, it's how we give cars that perfect, even coat of paint with almost zero waste. It's also the secret behind your laser printer, and it even helps mix dough perfectly in factories.
And when you scale this whole thing up, way up, that massive spark becomes lightning.
It just makes you wonder, right? What other invisible forces are out there shaping our world?